You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this numeral. This is a Roman numeral. I mean, it might be also a word, in which case it would be pronounced zev or xev. As a number, though, this is the number 14. X is for 10, I is for 1, V is for 5. So it's 1 less than 5, which is 4, on top of 10. So 14. How to pronounce English pronunciation of this Roman numeral 14. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.